Hi, this is Wayne from Printing Connect Online and Inkish TV here at the IST UV Days. I'm here with Ian Isherwood. Ian, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So you're with Fujifilm Prints.
Fujifilm European Graphics, yeah.
Fujifilm is his full title, yes. Very nice to meet you. So IST are an important part of what Fuji are doing. I understand that you've built quite a good relationship with them over the last few years.
We have, absolutely. We've got a development relationship with them where we have worked in conjunction with IST to develop our own branded Lookstream LED curing system. We're fairly unique in the industry that we are the only supplier of both the inks and the LED curing system. So we have a full bundle for the customers that are contemplating a change in technology.
Right, okay, so you talk about a change in technology. In what particular industry or area is that?
Predominantly the label and packaging.
Right, okay.
So label and narrow web flexible packaging.
Right, okay. So you talk to your customers, they have a problem, and then you work out a solution with IST, or do you identify it first and then deliver that to market?
A little bit of that, but mainly the industry has been driven by change anyway, to move away from the traditional UV curing systems, which consume huge amounts of power, electricity.
Yes.
So everybody is looking for a more sustainable solution.
Right.
This is a very sustainable solution.
Yeah.
We have been able to work with our existing customer base because we've been supplying inks to the label industry for many, many years now.
Okay.
So we have an extensive customer base that we're now introducing to the LED solutions.
Right. So they've launched Smart Cure here. That's AI driven. It was never long before AI would come into this particular sector. So you work with them on that?
Yes, so the Lookstream system will adopt the same technology.
Right. Okay.
So the AI controlled, so automation of the UV system in terms of setting the optimum cure power and the actual cure width. So as you reduce the power, reduce the width, when you're not printing on a full width web, everything brings that power consumption down.
Right.
Some of our most recent installations we've measured very accurately prior to the LED installation. So we've measured the existing UV, the UV curing systems, and then subsequently measured the LED curing systems afterwards in terms of the total power consumption. And we are seeing savings, electricity savings of up to 80% when you compare the conventional UV to the new LED.
Wow, I mean that's some
enormous.
Big numbers, isn't it?
Absolutely, and it makes the payback very quick as well on the investment.
And am I right in saying that the AI is learning all the time as well? So the different applications, the AI is actually learning the jobs and getting a better understanding of what's...
And everything's stored up in the cloud.
Yeah.
So it also fits in very well with best manufacturing practice.
Right.
So our inks are not only for standard labels, we have ranges of inks for indirect food contact, where there's a need for best manufacturing practice, and all this information is retrievable from the cloud.
Right, it's amazing. I must admit, I was blown away with the technology when I heard about it. So if you're a customer of Fuji and you're using inks and you're interested in talking to you about Smart Cure or some of the applications, what do they need to do?
They just need to contact us directly.
Right.
We're already proactively contacting everybody within our customer base. We have an extensive coverage across Europe, Middle East, and Africa.
Right.
And we're talking to all our customers. So if we go back 5 or 6 years, there was a slight interest in LED technology.
Yeah.
Now it's a proven technology. Everybody wants to talk to you about it.
Exactly. Okay. Well, I'm sure there's going to be hundreds of people getting in touch with you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for your
time. I hope
time.
you have a good show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.